This is a 1946 Plymouth limousine, purchased for only $300. It was a steal, considering its original engine is still intact. However, the motor is completely corroded. In fact, one of the cylinders is made of wood. The gas and brake pedals are also missing. The interior is relatively well preserved, but the seats are completely rotten. The body is also severely corroded. The chassis is even worse off, with thick rust coating. I'll be spending 2 months restoring this 80-year-old classic. First things first, I need to separate the body from the chassis. The chassis is a mess, but I'll start by dismantling it. I'll do the same for the engine and transmission. The clutch disc is completely worn out. Time to hone the engine parts. I'll also replace the piston rings. New cylinder liners will be installed. The engine is now ready for reassembly. I'll try to start the engine for the first time. The engine roars to life. The chassis restoration will begin soon. I'll start by sanding down the frame's longitudinal members. A rust-resistant coating will be applied. Next, I'll apply an epoxy primer. A fresh coat of paint will finish the job. The sanding process is complete. The chassis is now ready for reassembly. Old tires will be reused for the time being. New tires will be installed after the paint job. The motor will be reinstalled. The body will be sanded down to a smooth finish. A rust-resistant coating will be applied to the underside. An epoxy primer will be applied for added protection. The body will undergo a